This question says when a sphere rolls without slipping, the ratio of its kinetic energy of translation to its total kinetic energy is. So total kinetic energy is sum of rotational kinetic energy and translational kinetic energy. So I can write total kinetic energy. So kinetic energy T, that is total, equal to kinetic energy due to rotation plus kinetic energy due to translation, right? So that can be written as kinetic energy due to rotation is half I omega square and kinetic energy of translation is half mv square. This we know. So that becomes half I is how much for a sphere? 2 by 5 mr square. Now because it is under pure rolling, omega can be written as v by r whole square plus half mv square. So here r square I can cancel, 2 I can cancel. I will be left with 1 by 5 plus 1 by 2 into mv square. I take an mv square as common. So that will give me how much? 7 by 10 mv square. This is the total energy. Now what are we required to find? Kinetic energy of translation to kinetic and total kinetic energy. Kinetic energy of translation, I'll write it as TO by kinetic energy total. So that is equal to half mv square by 7 by 10 mv square. So mv square cancels, that becomes 5 by 7. So the ratio is 5:7. That is option D. Hope you could follow this. Thank you very much.